Subject Science. A very interesting topic, my body. Human body is a wonderful machine. It is composed of lots of organs. We can classify our body parts into two. First, internal organs. Second, external organs. What are organs? Organs are nothing but a part of a body which is designed for specific function. Students, can you name some body parts? Very good. First, we will discuss about internal organs. Now, children, tell me, can you see your heart? Can you see your brain? Can you see your kidneys? No. Can you touch them? No. Why? Because they are present inside our body. These organs are internal organs. Now, let us learn about some internal organs in detail. First, we can discuss about brain. Brain is an important organ in our body and it is protected by skull. Brain is divided into three main parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. The weight of human brain on an average is 1.3 kg. Brain is the commanding section of our body and it helps us to think and perform various actions like standing, moving our hand, sitting, walking and playing. Now let us learn about lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy sac-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen through nose and it passes to lungs. During the breathing process, the lungs expand. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through nose into the air. During the breathe out process, the lungs contract. In the below given picture, you can see inhalation and exhalation process. Inhalation is nothing but during breath-in, the lungs expand. And during exhalation process, lungs get smaller. Next, stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag found below the lungs. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. Stomach contains special juice to break down food into energy. Next, heart. Our heart is a pumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It lies in between lungs. It is made up of muscles. The heart beats about 72 times in a minute. Next, kidneys. We have two kidneys. They are bean-shaped kidneys. These kidneys purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Exactly 1/2 of a single kidney is capable of doing the job that is performed by two kidneys together. Next, bones and muscles. Bone feels hard to touch. Muscle feels soft to touch. Bones give us shape and protect the internal parts of the body. Muscles are soft parts that cover our bones. Now, children, try touching your wrist. Do you feel that it is hard? Because bones are hard in nature. Bones are framed for our body and allow us to jump, run or just lie down. To maintain healthy bones, we need to have food such as milk, egg and cheese. Muscle help us to move different parts of our body by tightening or loosening. For strong muscles, we need to exercise and stay active. Babies are born with 300 bones and in adulthood it is reduced to 206. Human body has more than 600 muscles. Children, can you see this picture? Can you identify the longest bone in the human body? Yes, the longest bone is the thigh bone. Now, can you guess the longest muscle in the human body? Yes, the longest muscle in the human body is in the thigh. Now, let us try to guess the smallest bone in the body. Smallest bone is stapes in here. Stapes are nothing but small bone present in the innermost part of the middle ear. 17 muscles are functioning while smiling and 43 while frowning. Frowning is making an expression of displeasure or disapproval. Smile and lead an happy life. Thank you, children.